Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use motion tracking feature on Filmora. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Filmora application, and as you can see, I have created a project on my Filmora. And for example guys, I'm going to use motion tracking feature to track this girl. Here I have added text to this project, and I'm going to track this girl with this text. And if you want to apply motion tracking, we need to select our video like this, and then we can go to the AI tools and activate the motion tracking feature. Okay, I'm just going to select this one. Okay, and then you can place this box on the part you want to track, and I'm just going to place it right here on the girl. All right, and then we can click on this option to start motion tracking, and we just need to wait until 100%. Okay, now it's done, and then we're going to select link element, and I'm going to select basic one. Okay, this one guys, I'm just going to move it right here, or maybe right here. Okay, and let's play it. Okay, now it's done. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use motion tracking on Filmora. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!